The European Union (EU) has extended its targeted sanctions on Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF party for another year, now lasting until 20 February 2026. Sandabina mashoko atinoona kuti panguva ino the Mnangagwa regime crisis yavo yaramba ichiendera mberi. Tinoona vakomana veEU vachiramba vachiextenda sanctions on Zimbabwe. Nyorwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina panapa with the headline vanoendera mberi vachiti the sanctions continue to target key individuals within the party who are seen as either directly involved in or supportive of the political establishment, as well as entities linked to the government. Notably, the EU has decided to remove the Zimbabwe Defense Industry (ZDI) from its sanction list. However, the embargo on arms and equipment that could be used for internal repression remains in effect, signaling ongoing concerns over potential human rights violations within the country. In response to the EU's renewed sanctions, Zimbabwe's government, along with the regional organizations such as the Southern African Development Community (SADC) and African Union, have criticized the measures. They argue that the sanctions continue to harm Zimbabwe's economy, significantly affecting the livelihoods of ordinary citizens, while failing to bring about the desired political change. These entities call for the unconditional removal of sanctions, stressing that they are a barrier to Zimbabwe's economic development and a form of external interference in the country's sovereignty. In essence, corruption is the barrier of economic growth in Zimbabwe. The issue of targeted sanctions remains a deeply contentious one in Zimbabwe, with the calls for their removal intensifying. Tomashoko anobuda nyoko panapa aiwa nevakomana tiona kuti aiwa vakomana veEU havazi kutamba ende havatombonangana tsitsi, they really know the truth. Vanouya panapa kutaura mashoko achiti aiwa isusu vakomana ava tiri kuvaona kuti aiwa hasingori masanctions ari kukonzeresa economic failure but inhau dzecorruption nemaviolations emahuman rights. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Mina comment section menu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.